Shamai, another Kala U-Bass, this time the Spalted Maple. Oh, who doesn't love a bit of spalted maple? Look at that wood figure, absolutely stunning. So U-Bass, SP-MAP-FS, that's the official code. It's just basically maple. FS is with frets as well. But wow, what a gorgeous looking instrument. The shape of it with the Venetian cutout by here. The contrasting light spalted maple with the dark binding. Right, what I'm going to do is I'll explain some prices and things. I'll go through specs and features, and then we'll do some sound demos. So prices, Southern Ukulele Store, £349 regular price, but you can often get it on offer, £299. Towman, when it's on offer, £295, but regular price, £411. Bass Direct, £399, and direct from Kala, $349. So a fair range of prices there. But again, I would call this the mid-range of the prices with Kala electroacoustics. So what do you get for your money? Obviously, this beautiful U-Bass. You get a padded case, not the thickest of padding, but a case, okay, with rucksack straps or shoulder straps. It does have a side handle, and it's got a small accessory pocket. You get a nice little owner's manual, which has got some information in there about Kala, the company, and about changing strings on U-Basses. And you get an Allen key, because these have got truss rods. Right, some specs and features, but I will pop them all up on the screen. I'm just going to go through them really quickly. So top, sides, and back, you've got this gorgeous spalted maple. And contrasting to the spalted maple, it's a beautiful black binding on the sides, on the top, and on the back sides as well. Oh, and I should note, you have got access point there for changing strings on the back. Mahogany headstock and neck, but the headstock has got a matching spalted maple, and of course the Kala logos in that really nice black to contrast. I've always been a fan of black hardware, especially when it contrasts with wood like this. So we've got the custom black die cast tuners on here. And we've got the black U-Bass active EQ on there, which contrasts nicely too. Nice dark wood on the fretboard, rosewood and rosewood on the bridge as well. Black Graphtec nut, 44-45mm, so it's quite a wide nut. And underneath the composite saddle, we've got our piezo pickup. And I should point out, this is a 9-volt battery too. And the 9-volt battery helps because you've got a built-in tuner too. And I should mention it, this has got the Aquila Thunderblack Strings, the new formula. Absolutely love these. Comes with one strap button, black, but you could easily go and put another one on the heel of the neck. As it is, I'm using a strap around the headstock today. 16 frets in total. Scale length is just under 21 inches and overall length just under 30 inches. Right, I'll pop all of those specs up on the screen now so you can have a good look at the details. I don't include weights with these because they are all very light. Right, we're ready for a little sound demo now. I'm going through my Gensler MG350 head amp into my barefaced 110 cab. And of course, with these being new instruments, I am having to tune them a little bit as well. But of course, with these being electroacoustic, you can hear them as well, albeit quietly, but you could easily practice or noodle sitting down, you know, just having a little play. But if you're going to be playing with other instruments or singing, you're going to need an amp. and turn the tuner off, otherwise the amp won't work. So yeah, today I've been playing Thunderblacks, I've been playing round wounds, I've been playing flat wounds on solid basses as well. Going between the different strings does melt your brain a little bit. So that is what the Kala Spalted Maple U-Bass sounds like. Gorgeous to look at. Yeah, it's quite a warm day today. My hands are sweaty, and playing on polyurethane strings and sweaty hands is not a good combination, but you do get used to it. But yeah, I gotta say, what a lovely looking bass. So I am thoroughly enjoying going through the electro acoustic U-basses. I've owned my own for many, many years. It was my first bass ukulele. But yeah, just trying the different ones, getting around a little sort of the different strings, the different shapes and so on as well. But yeah, really, really good fun. And yeah, I've got to say a massive thank you again to Kala for sending me over these U-basses. They're only on loan. They're all being sent back. But yeah, it just gives me and hopefully you guys an idea of all the electroacoustics that are available. And of course, a very happy birthday to Kala, 20 years old this year. And in fact, the U-basses were 15 years old last year. So yeah, Kala have done so much for the U-bass community. And if you're not sure, U-bass doesn't stand for ukulele bass. It stands for Upton bass, because Mr. Mike Upton is also Mr. Kala. And of course, being a bass player, he knows his stuff. So yeah, around about the £300 mark, maybe a little bit more, up to about 350 is going to get you this beautiful Spalted Maple U-Bass with a Venetian cutout, the black Thunderblack strings, and yeah, just an absolutely beautiful instrument to look at. Oh, and look at that back. So I do hope you are enjoying this series of U-Bass reviews. I am certainly enjoying doing them. If you'd like to support me here on the channel, I have got a Patreon page, and I'll pop a link in the description below for that. As always though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.